Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. For today, I'm going to unbox the gaming headset gt93. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, as you can see, we got the unboxing gt93 gaming headset, and I'll be unboxing it. It comes with the red color and it comes with the blue color, as you can see guys. And we got a bunch of stuff, and here's some more stuff. Volume control, and you got the cable length. So now let's get into the product. So here is the product. You can adjust the microphone 120 degrees. And we have the ear cups, 50 mm. And the LED, we have 5 volt. The LED lights will be over here, and here, and I think so here. And of course at the mic. And from the inside there will be LED lights, and here's in the sides too. And you, of course, you'll get this cushion. It's so nice and soft for your head, and it will not hurt you. So let's more get into it. So we have the sensitivities 110 3 dB. So the sensitivities will be right inside here, below this thingy. Oh, we have the two, as usual. And here is the left side, and here is the right side. And now let's go for the volume control. So here is it, the name of it, the product, and you have the volume. If you want it low or high, you get the wheel, you can spin it. So you have the low and the high here. And of course it comes with the mute. You can mute yourself over here and unmute yourself over here with only a click. So here is it. And you have this is for the light. You can move this cover and plug it into your computer or laptop. And as well you have this 3mm jack, 3.5mm jack. Remove this cover and it's ready to be used. And I'll do the LED testing, and I'm going to wear it and see if it's really comfy or not. So let's see you on the another side. So here guys, I'm going to turn it on, the lights. So yeah, you can see in the side there's light side, and of course in the microphone, and in the other side. And yeah, so there is no light here in the control. Guys, I have a better idea. Why don't we close the lights and see a better shot? So here is it guys. I turned off the light, and yeah, here is it. As I told you, from the inside there is a little light from the inside over here. So when you turn off the light and you start playing games, it will glow. So I pretty much liked it. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. for more videos like this. Peace out.